Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here another smartwatch from Zeblaze. So we have the Zeblaze Vibe 3 Pro. Remember, we already reviewed the Zeblaze Vibe 3 HR or ECG and the other one, Vibe 5. And this time we're going to review the Vibe 3 Pro, another beautiful rugged smartwatch from Zeblaze. Again, we got this smartwatch from Banggood.com, one of the premier and a leading site when it comes to electronic gadgets, such as wearables, smartphones, laptop, and more. They have the best deal for the Zeblaze Vibe 3 Pro. Okay, let's have the unboxing of the Vibe 3 Pro. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so let's open the box. It's still hot from the Banggood.com. So we have here the Vibe 3 Pro. So we have this color, I think. Okay, let's open the box. So we have, wow, a beautiful looking smartwatch. Nice color. Metal bezel here. Metal body. And at the back, I think we have the PC material. We have the user manual. Okay, we have here the QR code. It is using the DA Fit or DA Fit support app, available in Android and iOS platform. Okay, and what's this? Let's check. Do we have a charging cable here? Okay. Is it magnetic? Clip? Let's check. Okay, we have here a magnetic charging cable. Okay, so that's it. The content are the smartwatch, the user manual, and the charging cable. Okay, let's check out the design. Let's have a closer look. I like the color. It's like a breath of fresh air from the common black color. I love the design here. Soft, okay, premium feel TPU strap here with stainless steel buckle. We have two physical buttons. Please read the user manual carefully before using the smartwatch. Okay, so this one, it is 58 grams based on the specifications. Let's check it. Okay, we have here 54. That's it. So we have 58 grams, I think, or around 57, 58. Okay, so that's it. And for the thickness, we have 14.5 millimeter here thickness. It's a bit thinner compared to the previous Vibe 3 smartwatch. Okay, so we don't have a battery here. Anyway, this is a fast preview unboxing of the smartwatch. Let's take a closer look to the screen here. I think we have a very slim bezel here. Okay, flat, looking good. We have here the heart rate monitor, power connector. Okay, let's check. So Looks nice, looks comfortable. Check out at the Banggood site, we have here Vive 3 Pro. Okay, so it has a very large color display, 1.3 inch, IP67, dust proof and waterproof rating. We have a heart rate monitor, all day tracking. So it looks nice. Also have weather here, sports features, multi-mode sports. Okay, and we have here the specifications, 58 grams, IP67. So we have a touchscreen support, much better. We have a Bluetooth 4.0 and all-day activity tracking, available for or compatible for iOS and Android platform. Okay, here we have here up to 7 days battery life, 1.3 inch IPS, IP67. Okay, so what color do we have here? So available color we have the blue here, black. I think we have the very beautiful color here, and a color combination here, silver display, silver bezel here. So far it looks good, looks nice. I think I love the design as well as the color combination for the Zeblaze Vive 3 Pro Smart Watch. So again, we have red, blue, and black color. Okay, so let's have a close look again. Let's take a look at the physical button here, metal. It's a power and a mode button here. Next time we're going to show you the menu of the smartwatch as well as the support app. And at the same time, on our next video, a follow-up review for the Vive 5 and Vive 3 Pro, Vive 3 ECG version. We'll have a comparison of the three smartwatches. Okay, that's it. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Again, this is the Zeblaze Vive 3 Pro. Fast preview of the smartwatch. Bye.